नमस्कार दोस्तों. So this question, it is related to transmittance and absorbance, optical density. Question is, observe the following aqueous solutions of the same compound. All the measurements are made at the same wavelength and same temperature. Compound is same, wavelength is same, temperature is same. Okay. Now, solution A, the transmittance of 0.1 mole per decimeter cube, means concentration of the solution is given, path length is given, transmittance is given. For second solution, optical density we have to calculate for 0.5 mole per decimeter cube. It is measured using 1 mm cell. Path length is given. For solution C, transmittance is given. So we have to compare their optical density. So simple, this is the case of Beer-Lambert law. So according to Beer-Lambert law, optical density, that is OD, that is actually absorbance A, and this absorbance is common logarithm of 1 upon T, means logarithm of reciprocal of transmittance, or it can be written as log of I over I naught over I, I naught over I, because T is equal to, what is T? Transmittance, and that is equal to I over I naught. What is that? If this is a sample, solution sample of length L, then this is intensity of the incident light, and I naught is intensity of the incident light, and I is intensity of the transmitted light. So that means value of transmittance is greater than 0, but always less than 1, right? Because I can never be greater than I naught. It is always less than that, because some amount of light is absorbed here. That depends upon the length and concentration. Means it is equal to epsilon C into L. Now see, this term is very important as far as units are concerned. Absorbance has no unit. It has no unit. But if we talk about C is concentration of solution, and its unit is mole per decimeter cube. It is in mole per decimeter cube. L is path length. What is it? It is path length in centimeter. Very, very important thing. It is in centimeter. Path length is in centimeter. So epsilon. What is epsilon? This is molar absorption coefficient, or molar extension coefficient. This is molar absorption coefficient or molar extension coefficient, okay, or absorptivity, and it's in unit of per mole decimeter cube per centimeter. Keep in mind, its unit is per mole decimeter cube per centimeter, or simply we can write per molar per centimeter. Okay, so let's do it for solution A, B and C. Now solution number 1. For solution 1, solution A, what is given to you? For solution A, what is given to you? Just tell me. For solution A, transmittance is given. Okay, transmittance of 0.1 mole per decimeter cube. Transmittance is 0.5. Path length is given. It is 0.1 centimeter. Then concentration is given. That is again path length is 1 centimeter. And concentration is 0.1 mole per decimeter. Okay, so from transmittance you can calculate absorbance. Absorbance is log of 1 upon transmittance. That is log of 1 upon 0.5. That means log of 2, and value of log 2 is 0.3010. Okay, so absorbance we get 0.3010. From here, see, I remove this part. See, absorbance we get. Now absorbance is epsilon Cl. And what is epsilon? That is A divided by Cl. Now absorbance has no unit, and absorbance is given to you 0.3010. Concentration is also given to you 0.1 mole per decimeter cube. That is the same unit. And length is in centimeter, that is 1. That's it. So from here we get 3.01, right, per mole decimeter cube per centimeter, right? So this is the extension coefficient. Absorbance we get, but at the same time we need this value because it is same. Extension coefficient epsilon is same for all the solutions because compound is same, wavelength is same, temperature is same, so extension coefficient should be same. Okay, now come to solution B. For solution B, solution B. What is given for solution B? Optical density we have to calculate. For concentration is 0.5 mole per decimeter cube. Path length is 1 mm. So 1 mm is how many centimeters? 1 millimeter. So if you don't know how to calculate, 1 millimeter is 10 raised per minus 3 meter, and 1 meter is 10 raised per minus 3 into 10 raised per 2 centimeter. 1 meter 100 centimeter. So 10 raised per minus 1 centimeter, because length should be in centimeter. So from here absorbance of solution B is again epsilon Cl. What is epsilon? It is 3.01, and concentration 0.5 and length 0.1. Okay, so what is the value? 1505 and 1 2 3 4. So 0.1505 per mole decimeter cube per centimeter. Right? Now solution C. For solution C, transmittance is given. So very simple, absorbance is 1 upon transmittance. So simply we get 1 upon 0.1, that is log of 10, and log 10 is 1. That's it, because base is 10. Common log of 10 is 1. So in this way we have absorbance of C maximum, then absorbance of A, and then B. It is CAB. So that means option D is correct. So that is it. It is a simple case of Beer-Lambert law. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. God bless you all. Happy learning. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.